Hey there, awesome RC fans. Welcome to TJ's RC. I'm sitting here at the bench today working on Orangey, getting him patched up. The body got all cracked and busted at the comp that we were at 2 weekends ago. And so I thought while I was getting that put back together, maybe you guys would like to know, how do I patch up a cracked Lexan body? So stick around and find out. It'll only take a minute. A few of the things you're going to need. One, you're going to need a flexible adhesive. I'm using E6000 today, but I've also used Shoe Goo in the past with good results. The next thing you're going to need is the most important part, and this is the flexible fiber tape. It's used for drywalling. You can find it at your local hardware store. And strong scissors for cutting the fiber tape. You can see here we've got the fiber tape already in, and I've got it pressed tightly into all the contours. That's very important. We're going to do the other corner now by taking some pre-cut pieces of our fiber tape and putting them in. Now, because of the nature of this corner, there's not a lot of Lexan to grab, so we're going to take and put our fiber tape in at multiple angles. And it's okay if the fiber tape sticks out on edges like this, because after you got it all done and it's dried hard, you can go back in with a razor blade and cut off the excess pieces. Now, in a corner situation like this is important to get another piece in there so that you can have strength in multiple directions. We're going to press it into the contours. Next, we grab our rubber glove and our adhesive. Squeeze some of it onto the glove. Work a nice even layer into the tape. You want to make sure you get it pressed into the tape, through the tape, against the Lexan. You want the tape completely covered so that after it dries it can't catch on anything. There, that side is ready to go. Now we go over here. The cracks in these corners aren't very big, so a thin layer will be more than adequate as long as the fiber tape is completely covered. And that's all there is to it. Let's flip this over real quick. Now you can see here, I did this side before. This is all dry. You can still see the crack in there. Super strong now. But now, it's at least usable and not sitting in the garbage can or recycling bin completely worthless. Well, there you have it. How to repair a Lexan body. Fiber tape, rubberized adhesive. You guys are awesome. We'll see you in the next one.